Generating income with AI in 2026 has shifted from chasing trends to selling specific business outcomes. For a beginner in the USA, the most effective path is to use AI as a force multiplier, doing high-value work faster and better than someone working manually. Here are the top beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI in 2026. 1. AI-powered content services. Businesses are moving away from generic AI text and toward brand voice content. You can charge $50-500 per project by using AI to handle the heavy lifting while you provide the strategic polish. Social media management. Use tools like Canva AI or Adobe Firefly to generate month-long content calendars, captions, and high-contrast graphics in hours. Short-form video editing. Use Pictory or Descript to turn long videos or scripts into viral-style reels and TikToks. Many creators pay $100-1,500 per month for consistent editing. Email marketing. Use chatgpt or Claude to draft personalized sales sequences. Businesses value this because it directly drives revenue. 2. Digital product faceless channels. You don't need to be on camera to build an audience and earn through ad revenue or affiliates. YouTube automation. Use Google VO or Runway for visuals and 11 Labs for high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. Print on demand, POD. Generate unique art with Midjourney V8 for t-shirts, posters, or phone cases. Platforms like Printful or Redbubble handle the shipping. You just provide the AI designs. 3. AI setup and digital plumbing. Small local businesses, plumbers, lawyers, cafes, often have no idea how to use AI. You can act as a consultant to set up simple systems. AI receptionist. Use no-code tools to set up an AI chatbot that handles FAQs and books appointments 24/7. Workflow automation. Use Zapier or N8N to connect their email to their CRM, saving them 5 to 10 hours of manual data entry a week. Pricing. You can charge a $1,000 setup fee plus a monthly maintenance retainer. 4. Specialized AI freelancing. Instead of general writing, offer specific AI plus human results on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. AI fact-checking. With the rise of AI-generated misinformation, businesses pay for human-in-the-loop auditing to ensure their AI content is accurate. Prompt engineering for brands. Help companies build a custom prompt library that ensures their internal AI outputs always match their specific brand tone. Recommended 2026 tool stack. Category. Top tools. Best for writing, chatgpt/Claude. Scripts, blogs, emails, visuals, Midjourney/Adobe Firefly. Thumbnails, ads, logos. Video, Google VO, HeyGen. Social clips, faceless content, voice. 11 Labs. Professional voiceovers, automation. Zapier/Gumloop. Connecting apps and saving time. Your beginner action plan. 1. Pick one niche. Don't try to do everything. Choose one, e.g., short-form video for realtors. 2. Build a 3-piece portfolio. Use AI tools to create 3 high-quality samples. 3. Offer a result, not a tool. Don't say, I use AI. Say, I help you get 10 more leads per month using automated social content. Would you like me to help you draft a specific service offer or a reach-out script for one of these niches?